Hello, my name is Vanya Howe. My website is a wedding decor and party rental site where people can rent instead of having to purchase and store their decor for events. I'm going to show you around the website a little bit. This is my homepage, and I chose to have the top a back to top button, so no matter how far down you scroll the page, back to top would always stay at the right hand of the screen. It would always take you back to the top. I decided to have sliding photos instead of having a lot of different photos on the main page where you wouldn't be able to see them as clearly as having them transition out. I also put events, products and packages and the ability to click on those and get to the same place that you could get from the navigation screen. The specials are in the middle, and I don't want too much writing there, but I wanted to be able to have a quick glance and then also be able to click on this button to book or to contact us. This would take to the same spot that this contact us in the bottom navigation would take us to. I would have liked to have had all of these icons at the bottom connect to Instagram, Facebook, phone and email, but I'm still working on that. The About page tells you a little bit about me and how it started, and it just has the same navigation bars on there. The events page will show you the last few events we did, and then I'd like to have a transition sliding photos here as well, so you could see photos and visually see the concept of it. Packages that would show the different packages we have from basic, classic and premium, and then it would have a click now to book on each of them. The main design that I chose to do was to have subtle but still feminine colours. I wanted to have bulk packages in the packages screen so that people could just click on the package itself instead of having to go through every single item. The products page will eventually have all the different products. I wanted to have the logo on each page, and I wanted to have more photos and writing so that people could visually see examples and not have to read and imagine what things look like. The difficulties I came with on this is to extend the page without making the page look lopsided, so it ends up just being a cut off on the sides. Some of the pictures were not able to be where I wanted them, so I had to change the design a little. Having subtle changes on some of the pages was difficult with the CSS code, but worked with it and seemed to get it working. Have a bit of work to do, but it's to be fully functional, but happy with where I got it. Thanks for watching.